Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video we are discussing the new Miles Transfer Program partners that have been introduced by HDFC Bank. Now in a previous video I had discussed these travel partners when there was a limited time bonus miles offer was going on at that time. Now we have new travel partners that have been introduced on the Reward 360 platform for Regalia Gold. For other cards like Infinia, the page might be a little different. I have Regalia Gold, so that's why I'm showing it from the Regalia Gold perspective. But if you have DCB or Infinia, you can definitely check out your page as well. And I believe these should also would have been included on those programs as well. Now, earlier we had 14 of these travel partners, so this entire page was full with 14 different partners. Now we have 17 with the addition of Club ITC, we have SpiceJet, and now we also have Qatar Airways. Now, on a side note, I would like to highlight that British Airways and Etihad and also now Qatar. These are also common with American Express has transfer partners. Just on a side note. Now it is great to see more miles transfer partners being added by HDFC, but I would have liked to see Singapore Airlines here as well. I believe it would have been a good addition, but nonetheless, these three are also seems decent in my opinion. Now, coming back to these three new travel partners, the conversion ratio are for Qatar, we have 1 is to 0.33, and for Club ITC and Spice Club, we have 1 is to zero point 0.5. Now it is interesting to see that SpiceJet is here as SpiceJet's Spice Club doesn't get a lot of coverage, at least in my opinion, as much as something like Air India or Vistara used to have. Now there are only two Access Bank co-branded credit cards for SpiceJet's Spice Club. But now it is good to see that SpiceJet is expanding, and I personally haven't used it. But if you want me to make a video on it, then leave a comment, and I will check out this travel partner. Its program, which is called Spice Club. We'll try to make a video on it. Now, coming to Qatar Airways, has a low conversion ratio of 1 is to zero point 0.3, and it is similar to what we also see for Air Canada, for British Airways, and Etihad. So, these are the travel partners that have a low conversion ratio, but rest of them have 1 is to zero point 0.5. If you want to know how these travel partner programs work, then I had made a video explaining how to transfer points from American Express to Marriott Bonvoy, and later I have used those points in Marriott Bonvoy to book Le Méridien Hotel in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam when I was there for my vacation. And then again, I also used the same point that I had transferred when I booked Sheraton Pukao Resort. Most transfer partner programs work similarly, but I will try to cover more of these transfer partner programs in the future videos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss those videos that are coming in the future. Lastly, I would say that this is a good move on HDFC's part, and if you have a premium card like Infinia or TCB, then you would get a better conversion ratio. So I believe on those cards you might get 1 is to 1 conversion ratio. So you can check out your card's conversion on the Reward 360 platform. Now that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in the future. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.